to vendor selection. Greg, you and I talked a lot about this before we even, came to our live event. And I wanted to really talk through with you regarding vendor selection, and in support of allogeneic CAR T therapy specifically. What are the, say, top challenges, best practices, and expectations for the short term? So, what are the most important functionalities that you look for and why when it comes to vendor selection?
We look for good, honest partners that do what they say and say what they do. What the unique thing about cellular therapy is that, it's about 10 to 12 years old now as a practice. There's lots of really good partner labs out there that we can use for assays like vector copy number, MRD, exploratory flow, cellular kinetics, TCR beta sequencing, etc. So we have a number of good options out there to choose from. And so what's starting to happen in the market is a lot of these assays have become commoditized. You can go get the same assay now from 3, 4, 5 different partners. So back to your question, how do you pick a partner since the assay itself has been commoditized? Well, that comes down to Harvey Mackay, the envelope king, and price, quality, and service. So we put all of the partners up and we look at who can give us the lowest price, who can give us the fastest turnaround time, and who can give us the highest quality data without having to reassay samples or missing data transfers and streams and all of that. And what's kind of interesting in an evolutionary sort of way is um, the good partners generally float to the top. They're the ones that you start sending them samples in a small phase 1 study. And by the time you have 6 to 12 subjects enrolled, you know which of your partners can and are delivering and which ones are filling you with excuses like, pandemic or phase of the moon or, summer holidays, everybody's on vacation.